posting period variant creation. Go to OBBO. Before that, if you want to see the transaction, go to SPRO, for example, reference IMG. If you want to go through the path and if you want to check any transactions here, for example, how to check, go to additional reference, display key ID, IMG activity. If you click here, last 4 digits are related to the transaction. Okay, so define posting period variants. So here OBBO, you can see OBBO. And GIP and GIP posting period variant. This variant is useful to assign in open and closing periods. Okay, so then we need to assign to, we have created posting period variant, we need to assign to company code from OBBP transaction. This is GIP. Already I have assigned here. Just go to positions and search for your company code and assign the variant here. So you can check information from the, if you don't know the for your company code variant, if you forget, you can check all information from the OBBY6 transaction. Mostly in real time we will use this T code only, GIP. If you go to here, all information about the company code here available. You can see what are the fiscally variant we have used K4 for this company code. Company name, what is the trading partner is GNE, and posting period variant we have created GEIP. So all information available here. Next classes we will going to create a chart of accounts. Okay, so and open and close posting periods we need to create. Just